Hi everyone, welcome to Radiant Minds Academy. In this video, we are going to solve this question. We are asked to obtain the value of x and y. This type of questions are questions that you may likely encounter when you are writing an external entrance exam. So if you know you like questions like this, please encourage us by subscribing to this channel and liking this video. Thank you. Now let's dive into it. So the question says x raised to the power of y minus y raised to the power of x is equal to 17. So at this point, the first thing we do here is to raise the left-hand side to the power of 2 divided by 2. So this becomes x raised to the power of y, all raised to the power of 2 divided by 2 minus y raised to the power of x, all raised to the power of 2 divided by 2 equal to 17. So note that if I have a raised to the power of 2 divided by 2, this can also be expressed as a raised to the power of 1 divided by 2, all raised to the power of 2. So therefore, the left-hand side of the equation becomes x raised to the power of y divided by 2. We close up a bracket, all raised to the power of 2 minus y raised to the power of x divided by 2, all raised to the power of 2. This is equal to 17. Now we make some substitution. So at this point, we say that let P be equal to x raised to the power of y divided by 2, and also let Q be equal to y raised to the power of x divided by 2. Now our equation becomes p squared minus q squared is equal to 17. So now at this point, the left-hand side of our equation is now a difference of 2 squared. So for difference of 2 squared, we have it that if a squared minus b squared, this can be expressed as a minus b closed up in a bracket multiply by a plus b. So at this point, our equation now becomes p minus q multiply by p plus q equal to, now we have 1 times 17. So we see that by comparison, p minus q is equal to 1 and p plus q is equal to 17. So therefore, we can have that this becomes p minus q equal to 1. Let's call here equation 1. And also p plus q is equal to 17. Let's go here equation 2. Now at this point, we can now solve equation 1 and equation 2 simultaneously. So if we add equation 1 and 2, p plus p is 2p minus q plus q is 0, so they cancel out, and 1 plus 17 is equal to 18. So therefore p is equal to 18 divided by 2. So 2 cancel itself, we have 1. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So therefore p is equal to 9. So now to obtain the value of q, we substitute p equal to 9 into equation 1. So we have it that from equation 1, we have that p minus q is equal to 1. So we have that 9 minus q is equal to 1. So therefore, q will be equal to 9 minus 1. So Q is equal to 8. So therefore we have that P is equal to 9 and Q is equal to 8. But recall that we said let P be equal to S raised to the power Y divided by 2, and also let Q be equal to Y raised to the power X divided by 2. Thus, we have it that P is equal to S raised to the power Y divided by 2, and also Q is equal to Y raised to the power X or divided by 2. But P is equal to 9. So we have it that 9 is equal to X raised to the power of Y divided by 2. So if we square both sides, we have that this becomes 9 squared equal to X raised to the power of Y divided by 2 or squared. So these two will cancel out. We have it that 9 raised to the power of 2 is equal to X raised to the power of Y. So therefore, this can be written as 81 equal to X raised to the power of Y. Now, if we express 81 in the base of 3, the equation becomes 3 raised to the power of 4 equal to X raised to the power of Y. So at this point, X is equal to 3, Y is equal to 4. Again, let us consider that Q is equal to 8. So we have that 8 is equal to Y raised to the power of X divided by 2. Also, if we square both sides, we have it that 8 squared is equal to Y raised to the power of X divided by 2 all squared. So at this point, this one will cancel out. So we have that 64 is equal to Y raised to the power of X. Now at this point, we can express 64 in the base of 4. So we have that this is 4 raised to the power of 3 equal to Y raised to the power of X. Again, therefore, X is equal to 3 and Y is equal to 4. Thus, we have been able to obtain that X is equal to 3 and Y is equal to 4, and also S is equal to 3 and Y is equal to 4. Now let's check if our solution is correct. So we are given that X raised to the power of Y minus Y raised to the power of X is equal to 17. Now let us put in our values. S is equal to 3, so we have 3 raised to the power of 4 minus 4 raised to the power of 3 equal to 17. So 3 raised to the power of 4 is 81 minus 64 equal to 17. So therefore 81 minus 64 is 17. So we are correct. If you know you have found the video helpful, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.